How do I pick two random items from a Python set? I currently have a Python set of in size where n is greater than or equal to 0. Is there a quick 1 or 2 lines Python solution to do it? For example, the set will look like. The goal is to pick two random items from the above, and it's possible that the above set can contain 0, 1 or more items. The only way I can think of doing the above is to convert the set to a list mutable from where I can access two random unique index within the length of the set.
Use the random module, this URL. This samples the two values without replacement, so the two values are different.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.